If you're a creator with a YouTube channel full of long-form content sitting dormant, you're missing out on a massive opportunity to grow your audience. I used to spend hours manually scrubbing through long footage, hunting for clips, and dealing with tedious exports just hoping something would stick. That's exactly why I started using Vizard, a tool that completely streamlined my workflow and turned my content strategy upside down for the better. It essentially takes your long videos and converts them into a library of ready-to-post clips, handling the scheduling and management all in one place. Let's dive into how it works so you can see why this is a total game changer for your content creation process. Whether it's a 45-minute tutorial or a casual podcast, Vizard scans the entire video to pinpoint the most engaging, viral-ready moments automatically. It's not magic, but it certainly feels like it when you're facing a huge backlog of content and need short clips fast. I simply grab the link from YouTube, drop it into the interface, and watch as it identifies the high-energy moments for me. The system processes everything quickly, surfacing candidate clips based on audio spikes, topic transitions, and raw engagement signals. Once the clips are ready, I can easily tweak the in and out points or switch the aspect ratio to fit TikTok or Instagram perfectly. The built-in editing engine saves me from having to manually find every punchline or takeaway myself. It's tailored specifically for creators who are juggling a dozen tasks at once and don't have time for complex manual workflows. While I always recommend doing a quick human pass to check for perfect timing, the time saved is absolutely massive. Captions are huge for engagement, and Vizard generates highly accurate subtitles that you can easily polish if needed. It even suggests thumbnails based on high-energy frames, which is such a lifesaver when you're pushing out multiple clips a week. If you do screencasts, it can even automatically crop in on your demo so it looks great in vertical formats without losing clarity. Then there's the scheduler, which keeps my entire content calendar organized across all my social platforms. I can drag and drop clips, adjust posting times, and manage everything from one single pane of glass view. It's a lifesaver for staying consistent on TikTok, Instagram, and Twitter, without having to manually post every single day. What really makes this stand out is the balance. It combines finding clips, formatting, captioning, and scheduling in one flow. Does it catch every single nuance? Maybe not, but it gets you 80 to 90% of the way there in a fraction of the time. Here's a quick tip. Save a template for your export settings so your caption style and aspect ratios stay consistent every single time. Also, treat the generated timestamps as a starting point and then go in for those micro adjustments to really make the clip pop. You can even pair your clips with external SEO tools to see which hooks perform best and refine your strategy over time. For long-form interviews, the system is brilliant at proposing quote-based clips or reaction shots that keep viewers hooked. If you don't like an initial result, you can regenerate alternatives without re-uploading the source file, which makes it totally low risk. Pricing is tiered to match different needs, so whether you're a solo creator or a growing team, there's an option that makes sense. The annual plans are usually the best value, especially if you're serious about scaling your output and want to grow your channel authority. This tool doesn't just cut videos, it builds consistency, which is the secret ingredient to any successful content funnel. Ultimately, if you're still wrestling with manual workflows, this is the most practical way to reclaim your hours. Try processing one short video this weekend, pick a few clips, and just watch how the engagement metrics start to shift. If you've been waiting for a sign to start repurposing your backlog, this is definitely it. Go give Vizard a try, save your best takes, automate the rest, and let me know which clips ended up surprising you the most.